Don't know why I love you, don't know why I care. I just want your love to share. I wonder why I love you like I do. Is it because I think you love me too? I wonder why I love you like I do, like I do.
So what was that thing you wanted to talk about?
I mean, like, you've just been so distant lately. I feel like I haven't been connecting with you as much, and you're my best friend. Like, what's the
I've
deal?
been distant. You've literally been in college, hanging out with all your buds, and I'm literally here in our hometown, trying to pay off my mom's medical bills. Like, I got shit going on too, bro.
You got shit going on, but so do I. I'm on scholarship. I have a future to uphold, okay? I can't just be doing anything. I'm only here for a week. Use it.
I'm literally trying to use it. Like, you're just trying to start an argument with me? Okay, I get it. But you literally hang out with people all the time.
You've literally been hanging out with Jackie. Like, I barely even see you. I barely even know you anymore, okay? Like, I don't know that girl. I don't trust her, okay?
Listen, bro, like, I know we haven't been as close, but you kind of seem a little paranoid. Like, have you even met her? Why don't we just hang out, and you'll see that she's actually a chill person.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. But just for you, okay?
All right.
Hi Tim, are you still coming over?
Yeah, I'll be there in like 5 minutes.
I'm really excited to see you. It's just gonna be me and you, right? We haven't had like alone time in so long.
Yeah, I don't know. I've just been in my head about this whole thing with Ollie
It's fine. Let's just hang out just me and you, please.
already.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Hi Timothy.
What's up, Jackie?
Hi. Come in.
All right.
How have you been? I haven't seen you in so long.
I'm good, you know, just something's kind of been on my mind these past few days.
Like what?
Me and Ollie, you know, we haven't really been hanging out as much, and last time I saw him, we kind of got into a big blowout fight.
Is that a bad thing? You have me, why would you need him?
I mean, he is my childhood best friend.
So? People change.
I know. I don't know. I feel like if you and him were to maybe hang out or something, you'd get along.
I don't think so. Why?
I invited him. Is that cool?
Yeah, no, that's like totally fine. I can't wait. We're gonna have so much fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, before we go inside, I gotta tell you, she might be a little weird.
Okay.
So I guess they're here.
There?
Yeah. Ollie brought his friend,
Who?
Fizzy. What's up, Ollie? Who's
Yo.
this?
This is Fizzy.
What's up? I'm Fizzy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, come on in.
So how long have you guys known each other?
Few months. We're best friends.
Oh. Okay.
Sorry about it.
It's all good.
So, where are you from? I feel like I can't see anything of you online.
I feel like it's none of your business. Why do you want to know?
I was just trying to get to know you.
I like to keep my life private.
I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Do you want me to show you where it is?
Yeah, that's okay. I'll find my way around. Guys, we gotta get out of here. I just found this in her room. She has like a million knives and like death notes and shit.
Death notes.
I gotta see this shit.
What are you guys talking about?
Nothing.
Are you sure it's nothing? I saw you snooping around my room.
What is going on?
Who do you believe, him or me?
I don't know who to believe.
You don't believe me?
You've been had some animosity.
You've known me.
I finally got you guys to shut up. This is what you get for being so nosy.
You killed Fitzgerald.
And now I'm gonna kill you both. I'm sorry you had to be put through this, Tim.
Hey, shut up. I think I can get us out.